Hello everybody, I am Badresh Nagori from KG Corporation based at Ahmedabad. I have another company, Saral Filtration Private Limited. KG Corporation basically mainly in interaction with the progressing cavity pumps, centralized lubrication system, advanced lubricant, arcing the rollers. Saral Filtration Private Limited, they look after the bottleneck of the sugar industries on a consultancy basis, and bottleneck on designing aspect to the maintenance aspect. And one area, this is one area, one department. Second department is complete look after the air pollution projects, right from ID fan, ducting, modular ducting, wet scrubber, baghouse, and ESP. ESP with the third generation controller. So third generation controller measures the desired SPM level from the chimney from opometer that will restrict to your ESP, and thereby it will save minimum 15 to 20% milliampere on a ESP. That is more advantages on a beyond 4 field, 5 field, 6 field, because now norms have been become stringent, less than 50 or less than 30 in a recent area. Today I am discussing about the Gandhini Sugar, where we have worked collaboratively with the Gandhini Sugar management on a mill lubricant on a mill, mainly mill. We installed first centralized lubrication system. Earlier they were using SM 175 260 liter per day. After which we have installed centralized system, lubrication system of Sunloop system. After installing centralized lubrication system on mill, on Gandhini Sugar, they are having 39 into 78 4 mills having underfeeder and other things also. And having 112 points. 112 points. After installing centralized lubrication system, our SM85 consumption has come down drastically, only 150 liter per day. Thereafter, we have suggested an advanced mill lubricant, that is Lapsa from Argentina. And we supply and we install run with the centralized lubrication system. So initial 2 years it has come 36 liter to 30 liter to 27 liter per day. Initial 1 year, 2 year, we go gradually. This process is has to have a very systematic way. We go gradually. The advantage of this mill lubricant Lapsa is it is biodegradable lubricant. 4-bolt test where जो film lubrication main principle is the film has to be maintained. Film has to be maintained at on a single tandem at hydraulic load of 180 to 220 or 200. Film is maintained. If film is maintained, then there is no friction on a mill, on a 4 mill tandem. Our viscosity is 20,000 viscosity, and 4-bolt test of that film is 800, beyond 800 megapascal. So film is not breaking, therefore shaft is floating. In big mill, shaft is floating. Shaft is floating, therefore if it is a steam driven, so you are directly saving steam on the steam turbine, and indirectly you are saving on a bagasse. Fortunately, slowly, steadily we have reduced again consumption. Today it has come to 20 to 22 liter per day. Other benefits of mill lubricant, and today this 20 to 22 liter we are maintaining since last 3 years, 4 years. And other benefits are there is no mill journal bearing breakage, there is no downtime losses. It is biodegradable. Complete mill area is very clean. They are saving, now there is a stream saving indirectly, they are saving bagasse. Basis on that, this we have, our paper has been published in 2014 STI at Bangalore. So this is all about this thing. Beside, on basis on this Gandheri sugar case study, then it has, after that proven establishment, our Lapsa has gone to the other sugar factory like Narmada Sugar, Madhi Sugar, Bardoli Sugar, Chalthan Sugar, then many other sugar industries. Nowadays it is running to the Javan Sugar in Maharashtra. Then there are many other industries, and in MP also we are running. Now in smaller unit in Gujarat, there is a Govardhan Sugar. In those days only we have supplied the mill lubricant system and Lapsa. They were in the same pattern, they were consuming some hefty consumption of crude oil, SN85. It has come down drastically in the same fashion, but surprisingly we never knew that those small mills were run by electrical motor. So the owner of that Govardhan Sugar called me immediately to the site, and they certified me that they are saving 250 ampere to 300 ampere on mill, and they have awarded the certificate also. Now it has become cell model for the Lapsa across India. We are supplying to the Uganda and other places also. We are not satisfied. We are inventing more on this thing, and we have come out with the same product with the more beneficial point of view. Since Argentina is a small country, so they have very limitation on a financial aspect. So they have restriction on a financial part. They cannot reduce or offer the discount. So what that owner has done, they have improved the efficiency of the same lubricant. So by that we are again reduction the consumption, thereby they have given the discount. And this is the result, 20-22 liter it has come. Earlier it was 30 liter, 27 liter, then 25 liter, now it is 20-22 liter per day. Now across India we are distributing and we are selling products. And we have, one more thing, nowadays organic sugar is also being manufactured in many places like Narmada Sugar. In first 20 days or 30 days in Gujarat, they are manufacturing organic sugar. So for that they need a food grade lubricant. We are the only company in the world, Lapsa is the only company in the world who make food grade stator, and we have started circulating the leaflet also. Like Coca-Cola or other places, if they need, so they inspect your mill in such a way and they need a mill lubricant food grade. We are the only company we are supplying. Further, we are come out with some another product also with the consumption basis. Still we can reduce the consumption. But at the end of the day, we have to sit with the respective HOD technical aspect management with the sugar mill where we have to stop. Because then further reduction on consumption all the times to show the management that we are saving on a mill lubricant, but by that we are damaging the mill. We are increasing the downtime losses. We are increasing the current ampere. They don't show. So we are not working in that pattern. So consumption is basically, frankly, nowadays it has become trend that the other competitors they are giving. We are reducing. We will run your mill with the 8 kg or with the 10 kg or 12 kg. Consumption is being measured and run by the pump. So any damp product can be monitored or pumped with the motor. So consumption is not the issue. Overall life down the line 10 years we have made some paper. Another paper is going to publish. After 10 years Lapsa is costing what? Another product is costing what? Another product is costing what? After 10 years working with the all HOD in the different companies with the different products, it has come to the conclusion and authentize the person by HOD that Lapsa is cheaper in all respect, right from spare supply, mill maintenance and overall efficiency of the industry, especially mill. Thank you very much.